I welcome you back, dear Dinka learners. Let us change from English to Dinka language. 1. Bite. Bite is called catch. Catch. Catch in Dinka language. Jonga chakach mean the dog bite me. 2. The dog bite me. In Dinka, Jong acha catch or Jong achi and catch. Jong acha catch. Jong achi and catch. Jong achi and catch. Catch mean bite. The tiger bite me. Quach achi and catch. Quach achi and catch. Quach mean tiger. The donkey bite me. Akaja achi and catch. Akaja achi and catch. Akaja acha catch. Akaja mean donkey. Kick. Kick mean wedge. 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 A kuro wedge to kick the ball. The donkey kicked me. Akaja achi and wedge. Akaja achi and wedge. The cow kicked me. Wing achi and wedge. Wing achi and wedge. Wing achi and wedge. Wing mean cow. The camel kicked me. Tarol achi and wedge. Tarol achi and wedge. Tarol achi and wedge. The camel kicked me. I bite my tongue and chill liam dear catch. 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 Liam dear mean my tongue. My tongue. Catch mean bite. I bite my hand and chichandia catch. And chichandia catch. And chi ichin catch or and chichandia catch. Chandia. Chandia mean my hand. Chandia. Chandia. My hand. Chin mean hand. Joseph kicked the ball. Jotep achikura which. Jotep achikura which. Jotep achikura which. I kicked the ball and chikura which. And chikura which. I kicked the ball. Kura acha which or and chikura which. Kick the ball. Kick the ball. When someone tell you kick the ball with kura. Which kura. With kura. Kura mean football or ball. Don't kick the ball. Don't kick the ball. Do kura which. Do kura which. Do kura which. Don't kick the ball. So here are the 10 words that were used. Dog. Jong. Jong. Tiger. Quach. Quach. Donkey. Akaja. Akaja. Cow. Wing. Wing. Camel. Torol. 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 Tongue. Lip. Lip. If it is my tongue, it become liamde. N means shin. Shin. Ball. Kura. 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 Donti. Donti mean duk. Duk. For example, don't eat duk meat. Don't go duk gel. Don't come duk bo. So duk. By William Majak. Depute Tongjang or Depute Dinka language or Dinka tutor. South Sudan, also called Junub Sudan. This is the end of our lessons. More are coming. Please, if you are new in this channel we teach Dinka language, which is one of the vernacular language or local language widely spoken in South Sudan, especially by major tribe called Dinka plus others tribe. Okay, one day maybe you will come to South Sudan, you will be in right position to speak Dinka language with the local. So this is the right channel for you. Please subscribe, turn on notifications so that when I upload all the videos, you will be the first person to watch the video. Also, you put your comment. So comment in Dinka language so that I know all my students are learning small. Just comment using this word that we have learned today, bite and kick, bite, catch, kick, which. Just comment in the comment section. Let me see how you guys understand this very amazing lesson. So this is the end and Joel William Majak Malek. Bye bye. See you next lesson. Please like the video. Like the video. Also comment. Bye bye.